Alright, here we have a 2004 Jaguar S-Type. Another one where the ignition failed, but we'll come back in a little while. Actually, they took their steering wheel out so they can get access to the cylinder, but we'll go ahead and take the cylinder out. Key is actually stuck in it. It won't even come out. So we can go ahead and get this apart, put new wafers, rebuild it, check the key. We might cut a new key blade, put into the remote, and that's it. We'll come back in a little while with everything working. Alright, we're back at this Jaguar. We just finished repairing the ignition. We took it in the van, rebuilt it. Basically, we take all the old parts out. Here's all the old parts. I make a little bag that says old parts. I give it to the customer. As you recall earlier, the key was stuck. Nice and smooth. Best part about rebuilding it, you get to use your same keys, or at least you get to use the same electronics. Sometimes I do cut a new key blade, and but everything's still programmed. You basically put your new lock back in there, and, or the lock that I rebuild, you put it back in there, and you're ready to go. There's no additional programming. Now, if you're not in the Georgia area, we do not provide tech support. Just have your mechanic or somebody take the lock out, the whole lock assembly, and ship it to us. I'll be able to rebuild it, put new parts in it, do what needs to be done, ship it back to you. Now, if you're in the Georgia area, just give me a call. I'll put you on the schedule, and I'll come out and service it on site. Or you can have the car towed to the office, and I'll fix it at my office. And that's about it. Need more information, go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. Thank you.